Ever pondered the ins and outs of transforming your YouTube channel into a lucrative endeavor? Well, the path to monetization might be simpler than you think. Today, we unravel the steps to monetizing your YouTube channel, turning your passion into a paycheck. To kick things off, remember, not every channel qualifies for monetization. YouTube sets specific benchmarks that every creator needs to meet. The first checkpoint is the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP for short. You need to join this program to start earning from your videos. However, it's not as easy as clicking a button. You need to meet certain criteria. To join the YPP, your channel needs a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. It's not just about getting views, it's about keeping your audience engaged. So create content that captivates your viewers, making them want to stick around. Once you've hit these targets, it's time to sign up for the YPP. But remember, it's crucial to have a squeaky clean record. Any violations of YouTube's policies and guidelines could jeopardize your chances of getting approved. So keep things above board and stay on the straight and narrow. Once you've joined the YPP, you're ready to start earning. But how does this work? Well, there are a few different routes you can take. The most common is through ad revenue. This means that advertisements will play before, during, or after your videos. You get a cut of the revenue generated from these ads. Another way to earn is through channel memberships. This feature allows your viewers to pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive badges, new emojis, and other perks. It's a great way to generate a steady income stream while also offering something extra to your most loyal fans. Merchandise shelf is another monetization feature that YouTube offers. If you have your own line of merchandise, you can showcase it directly on your YouTube channel. When your fans purchase your merchandise, you make money. It's as simple as that. Lastly, you might consider YouTube's Super Chat feature. This allows your viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during your live chats. It's a fun and interactive way to monetize your channel. In conclusion, the road to monetizing your YouTube channel involves joining the YouTube Partner Program, complying with YouTube's guidelines, and exploring the various ways to earn, such as ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and super chat. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about creating engaging content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. With dedication and creativity, your YouTube channel can become not just a platform for expression, but also a profitable venture.